Godown introduction. A godown is a place where physical stock items are stored. While processing inventory transaction in Tally, user can specify the godown detail related to movement of stock items. User can extract godown-wise inventory report to track movement of inventories in books of accounts. Tally Prime allows to create multiple main godown and sub-godown as per requirements. Versus location. Godown versus location in Tally Prime. Location is a place where godowns are located. Locations can be used as godown to store material and or can be used to define locations of godowns in Tally Prime. Example, Mumbai as location may have Andheri godown and Bandra godown. Godowns are generally used to store physical stock and to track inventory movement in books of accounts. Godown and location creation. Create following godown location in Tally Prime. Godown location name as Mumbai. Group under primary. Address not applicable. Allow storage of material as no. Our stock with third party not applicable. Third party stock with us not applicable. As per available information of godown and location detail, we need to create multiple godown and location in Tally Prime as per given instructions. To create a godown in Tally Prime, we need to navigate Create option under Master's menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Godown option under Inventory Masters. Main location exists by default for the company. Do you want to alter main location or create a new godown? Generally in Tally Prime, main location exists as default godown. If we wish to create a new godown in Tally Prime, we need to select option Create New. Before creating Godown Master in Tally Prime, we need to access F12 configuration to configure other information related to master creation. Information such as provide aliases for name, provide language aliases for name, use primary or a parent godown for godowns, use address for godowns, allow storage of materials, enable third-party stock details to yes. We can also access more details to view general details of master, general details such as name and alias, grouping of godown, godown address. Further, we can click on Show More and Show Inactive to view other general details related to master creation. Let's create first godown as Mumbai. Group under Primary. Address not applicable. Allow storage of material as no. If we disable Allow storage of materials option, then this master will be treated as location and not as godown. Enter. Our stock with third party? No. Third party stock with us? No. Enter and accept. Next, Andheri godown. Group under Mumbai location. Address as A11 Madan Colony. Andheri East, allow storage of materials, yes. If allow storage of materials set to be yes, then this master will be treated as godown and we can store our material under particular godown. Our stock with third party as no. Third party stock with us as no. Enter and accept. Similarly, Bandra godown grouped under Mumbai. Address B11 Bharat Complex, Bandra East, Mumbai. Allow storage of materials, yes. Our stock with third party, no. Third party stock with us, no. Enter and accept. Thane as location. Enter. Grouped under primary. Address as not applicable. Allow storage of materials as no. Our stock with third party, no. Third party stock with us, no. Enter and accept. Next, Bhiwandi godown grouped under Thane location. Address A11 Sujoy Mill, Bhiwandi. Enter. Allow storage of materials, yes. Our stock with third party, no. Third party stock with us, no. Enter and accept. So this way, we have created all godown masters and location master in Tally Prime. To view all godown and location masters, we need to access Chart of Accounts under Masters menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Godowns under Inventory Masters. Here we can see main location as predefined godown location in Tally Prime. We created Mumbai location. Under Mumbai location, there are two different godowns, Andheri and Bandra. Similarly, Thane as location, Bhiwandi as godown. Godown location, alteration and deletion. To alter or delete any godown master in Tally Prime, we should navigate Alter menu option under Masters from Gateway of Tally. Select Godown under Inventory Masters. Here we can see list of godowns created in Tally Prime. Godowns are Andheri, Bandra, Bhiwandi, main location, Mumbai, Thane. If we wish to edit main location godown details, we should select main location godown from the given list. We can edit name under address, allow storage of materials, use for our stock with third party stock with us. As per information, we can edit or alter any information on display page. For example, we wish to change the name of godown to primary location. Group under Thane. Address Mayank Trade House, Thane. Enter. Other information as default. Enter, accept. Here we can see main location godown has changed to primary location. To delete primary location godown from given list, we should select primary location godown. Press Alt D to delete. Please note, godowns cannot be deleted if already used in inventory masters or any transaction. Enter to confirm. So this way we can edit or delete any godown in Tally Prime.